Hey, what's up guys, it's Nick from TSPROF. In this video we're going to be making an overview of one of our sharpening systems, TSPROF Kadet Nero, which is now available at our website with a good discount of 15%. So let's find out what it is, its sharpening capabilities, and of course sharpen a knife with it to a deadly edge. Let's begin. So let's open up the box and see what it looks like within. Here we have a stand with an arched rack, abrasive holder, body frame with a rotary mechanism, two whole milk clamps, and a set of 5 diamond plates on blanks, 4mm screwdriver. Let's assemble it. Before setting the rack in the working position, make sure the fixation screw is loosened. Then unfold the rack until it clicks. To fix the rack, tighten the screw until it stops and make sure that the whole construction is solid. To fold the rack, loosen the screw until it stops and then click the button holding the rack. For storage convenience, the hinge joint can be removed. To set it again, place the joint into the mounting socket. Place a thumb screw on the convenient side. Tighten the thumb screw to fix the hinge joint. You can set the body frame for both left and right-handed people. To set the body frame, tighten the screw until the handle attaches the rack tightly. To set the clamps to the frame, unscrew the thumb screw and tighten it until the fixation is firm. To set the abrasive holder, loosen the screw and insert the holder into coupling and tighten the screw. There is also a parking unit which is set on the coupling. After that, insert the abrasive holder into the hinge joint hole and set it on the parking unit. To avoid falling off the stone holder during sharpening, set the limiter and a rubber ring to fix it. Well, it is assembled and ready to go. All parts of the sharpener are made of aircraft aluminum. And as you can see, the tool is entirely anodized in black. We already made a video about what anodizing gives, but briefly speaking, anodizing is a protective coating which improves durability of the aluminum, resists corrosion, and gives a pleasant look. So now let's consider some technical characteristics. Spine thickness up to 7 mm, blade length from 30 to 300 mm. Max blade width 40 mm, length of stone up to 150 mm, thickness of stone from 3 to 15 mm, angle range from 8.5 to 28.5 degrees, device weight 1.8 kilograms. The device is intended for use in domestic conditions with an ambient temperature from 5 to 35 degrees Celsius. When clamping, we recommend tapping the knife to avoid damaging it. Clamps can be placed along the length of the frame, as well as on the one side next to each other depending on the geometry of the knife. Tighten the clamp screws with our Brent Allen wrench, which comes with the kit. Tighten it quite firmly to not let the knife wiggle. Knife must be clamped parallel to the frame without black lashes between clamps and knife. The Kadet Nero kit comes with a set of diamond plates on blanks of various grain sizes, from extra coarse to very fine. If it's a standard lamp, 160mm with blank, just put on the movable stopper and set it in the statical stopper. Let the movable one go to fix the stone. In case you're using stones of different thickness, we recommend aligning the thickness to preserve the sharpening angle. So, before sharpening, take a stone you're gonna use. Loosen the thumb screw fixing the hinge joint. Lift it so that it's equal to the stone thickness. Then tighten the screw. To set the sharpening angle, loosen the screw and move along the rack until the pointer aligns the desired angle. The lower pointer is made for left-handed people when changing the side of the frame. Tighten the screw firmly. Here on the rack you can see the scale of the angle range, which can be helpful if you don't use an angle finder. Razor sharpens under 8 degrees. Fillet knives from 8 to 13 degrees. Kitchen knife from 13 to 18 degrees. Hunting ADC knife from 18 to 22 degrees. Chopping angles more than 27 degrees. Now let's proceed to sharpening. Today I'm gonna be using our new brand digital angle finder, Axicube One, which is now available at our website for ordering. What I really like here is that it's really versatile. I can use it with any TSPROF sharpener, and at the same time I can use it as an inclinometer. We already made a video dedicated to Axicube One, so if you haven't seen that yet, you can find the link above. So I select P2 mode, reset it on the abrasive holder, and put it onto the body frame. The angle of this ADC knife, 20 degrees per side. We got it. So we've just set the angle and start sharpening. This is gonna be our first stone, 150 extra coarse. So let's adjust the limiter a little bit. So now let's flip it over. So parking the abrasive holder. Continue on this side. Seems like we'll get the burr over here. So let's change the stone. So this one is 220. And of course, change the side of the knife. With every new stone taken, we have to also turn over the frame. So I finished with fine stone, and this is gonna be the last one, extra fine 1200 grit. Now we can compare the state of the blade before and after sharpening with Kadet Nero. After you finish sharpening, clean the tool from the abrasive particles in metal powder. From time to time, lubricate the friction areas with industrial oil. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't miss the opportunity to get the TSPROF Kadet Nero kit with a good discount of 15% at our website. If you're already an owner of TSPROF Kadet Nero, we'll be extremely happy to get your feedbacks in the comments below. So guys, thank you for watching. Give the likes to this video and of course, subscribe to our channel to never miss our new sales and get more sharpening content. So see you soon, take care and stay sharp.